Got a freaking legendary shiny dragon. We stopped at World Market and we got some snacks. What did you get?
I got salt and vinegar chips.
And I got Lay's numb and spicy hot pot flavor. It smells so bad, but maybe it tastes better than it smells. First reaction. They feel like stale, and they don't taste that good.
One out of 10.
Like 4.
Okay. Would you eat them again?
Probably not. If I pay for it, I'm gonna eat it. So I'm at the indoor gun range. AJ's here already. I already got my stuff. I feel weird coming in with this big ass bag though, but we'll see what happens.
Everybody, me why they ain't outside, but you scared probably. Now me think about when I die, but shit on everybody. Say fuck everybody, tell them I won't have problem. So better stay with you here for. You touching real money, here come all the old kin from. Front line, boy, I promise I'm here for you. Oh, anything you need, you can call and I need my bottle. I give my heart if you need it. Don't see nada, real niggas always seem to see it. Bro, keep quiet, whole time.
Up too much drugs, tryna see a candlelight. I can't think straight, but got my money right. Come take it off and show me what it's like. Let me see. I'm in the game, I shoot like Jordan with his G3. Don't matter, cause we disagree, don't mean you up and leave. I bust it down, she rockin' chrome, cause she got on her knees. I told them I just want them gone, but for my Z they please. For me, for me, for me, for me, for me. Need your love, come stay with me tonight. I can't go without my drugs cause I am not alright. I'ma let you take the wheel tonight. We know what we doing wrong, but girl, it feels so right. It feels so right. It feels so right.
This is the FN 502 22 LR. This is the Taurus G. This is train bridge. Got the king ground for the G. For the 2C, and it did not jam once. AJ's gonna shoot the drum mag.
So like,
I know.
it's very comfortable. Is it? I like the trigger on these.
Do you like the trigger?
Yeah.
I feel like it's pretty far back.
Well, compared to my those all metal guns I was using, I don't know. It's feels light.
Even with the drum on it?
Well, no,
Just the trigger.
feels light.
What is that one?
CZ75B. That's a Serbian. It's a M70A. It's basically a Tokarev clone.
I'm on the way back home. The range is pretty good. I've never been to that one before, so AJ hasn't been to that range either. It's a pretty nice range, not gonna lie. There was someone else there with a bigger backpack than me, so I didn't feel that weird about going in with it. And then I have to go get a haircut. I'm gonna see if the barber shop will let me do a video for that.